Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore a specific geometric property of a rhombus. We are going to look at how the diagonals of a rhombus interact with its angles. This is a key concept in geometry that helps us solve many problems involving quadrilaterals. First, let us quickly review what a rhombus is. A rhombus is a special kind of parallelogram where all four sides are equal in length. Because it is a parallelogram, its opposite sides are parallel, and its opposite angles are equal to each other. Now, let us talk about diagonals. A diagonal is simply a line that connects one corner of a shape to the opposite corner. A rhombus has two diagonals. In the image shown, one connects points A and C, and the other connects points B and D. Here is the important property we want to focus on today. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect the vertex angles. To bisect means to cut exactly in half. This means the diagonal line splits the angle at the corner into two equal smaller angles. Why does this happen? Let us break it down. If we draw just one diagonal, it splits the rhombus into two separate triangles. In our diagram, the diagonal splits the shape into the yellow triangle and the blue triangle. These two triangles are actually identical or congruent. We know this because all the outer sides of a rhombus are the same length, and the diagonal is a shared side for both triangles. Since all three sides match, the triangles are congruent by the side-side-side rule. This means their corresponding angles must also be equal. Let us visualize this with numbers. If the entire corner angle was 100 degrees, the diagonal would pass right through the middle. This results in two smaller angles of 50 degrees each. It is a perfect 50-50 split every time. Let us try a practice problem. Suppose we are given a rhombus where one part of the split angle is 35 degrees. We need to find the value of x, which is the other part of that same corner angle. Since the diagonal bisects the angle, x must be equal to 35 degrees. Here is another example. We know that the bottom half of corner C is 25 degrees. What is the measure of the entire angle C? Since the diagonal cuts it in half, the top part is also 25 degrees. Therefore, the total angle is 25 plus 25, which equals 50 degrees. To summarize what we learned today, a rhombus has four equal sides, and its diagonals connect opposite corners. Most importantly, remember that these diagonals bisect the angles at each vertex, creating congruent triangles within the shape. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.